chart is beautiful. I know my role in this movie.
Mom's not happy about it.
Like earlier, if you've seen it earlier in this live, I'm Spider-Man in the movie. I'm Stan Lee, the guy who made the movie. But I'm also the nigga watching the movie. I'm all of those. I made the game.
Like you said, the mom
I'm playing the game. But I'm also the character in the game. This is all just a game. The same way you see a wall in Grand Theft Auto, it's the same thing. It's made of the same shit. Electrical impulses, energy. It's the same thing. This is a dream. You know that?
I get it.
Did you know that by mastering yourself and mastering your perspective, you can control your entire reality? Hashtag Chief is free.
So like she wants to get her nose pierced? Her mom's so
do not wish for things in your life. Do not hope for things in your life.
Yeah.
Do not try to make things happen.
Yeah,
you will it. You make it happen. You say that's what it is. And you make that what it is. God didn't say, please let there be light. He said, let there be light. There is light now. Light now. Now, can I borrow some light? Can I get some light? I'm going to try to make some light. He said, I'm going to try to make some light. He going to make a little bit. He said, let there be light. Do it. Do it. Oh, I'm on my way out. Get the fuck out. Chief is free. Hashtag Chief is free. Everything I have said to you is because of the most honorable grand message, Yoda Christ. Or otherwise, I would be in Babylon, sharing that same fate.
I would never do no shit.
Crawling on a fort, looking for food when that money disappeared. Shooting at other people, trying to protect my family. Because I don't know that the people I'm shooting is also me. And I did it to myself. I'm thankful. I projected that part of myself into my reality, and I recognize what role that played in me.
But they're like
and I did everything I could to be a part of that. And here I stand. I'm proud of CarbonNation, yo. They want to see us fall. We're stronger than ever. We're stronger than ever. They want to try to break us down. They want to try to beat us down, point out flaws, and make problems. No. We win. The meek shall inherit the earth. We win. We win.
He ain't Cassie's dad, he's your stepdad, so you don't really give a fuck.
I hope this just inspires you. I hope that after this, you look at what it is you could do better. And that you stop trying to change the people in your life. And you just say, you know what? Fuck it. I gotta change me. I gotta change this. Clean up your fucking room. You know what I did? I just packed everything up. I just packed everything up and just sat there in a room with everything packed up and said, I'm ready to go. I didn't know where I was going. I had no plan. I just packed it up. Don't make plans. Prepare. Stay prepared. If you missed this live, I'll run this shit back. I'd listen to this motherfucker again.
Borrowed money from her.
Shit, I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna put this one up. I'll put this one up for sure. I'm gonna save this one for me, if anything. I used to be just this quiet little guy.
Does she have a drug problem?
I used to try to be, hey, look at me.
Does a man
Cancer Leo Moon. I used to try and wanted to be seen, but never was.
Then how the fuck you would?
Because I would do things to try to make people happy.
She's either got a
I've never been happier in my life. I am now myself.
You're a nurse.
I'm able to be myself.
Like,
she drinks.
With Chief showed me, don't be afraid to be yourself. Be yourself unapologetically. That's the only way you're gonna attract what's for you.
I feel bad for her, man.
I love myself, y'all. I'm gonna end it before it just cuts out on me.
Got $300.
But I want you to know I love you. I love you. I understand myself. So when you hear me say I love you, you better believe that I understand you. I love myself and I understand myself. So the way I get it. World news. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. That's why I didn't allow you to do what you wanted to do tonight. Because I love you. Young Pharaoh, I love you. We've been dealing with you since Mexico. I love you, bro.
I would.
Now, seeing what you're capable of, you can do better. Let's get back on the knowledge, bro. Age of Aquarius, let's get it. Let's actually help people. Let's get the fuck out of Buffalo. Jesse G, I love you.
Yeah.
I know you just lost, and I know you just confused right now. You may be hurt. There may be things that you've gone through in your life that you have not been able to express, or maybe you don't understand yet.
I hate that.
But I want you to know that I love you. And I see that what you're doing is truly a cry for help.
A father.
I see what you're doing is.
She's trying, and you talk.
You may not understand what death is. Truly.
You sure?
You may not understand that the frequency that you're on now, you're gonna come back and learn lessons.
All right, Matt. Tell her I said hi.
Listen, Charles Larry.
This will get better when she comes up here.
You're gonna see what you did. You're gonna look back and you know, it's misunderstanding. That's why hurt people. They're hurt.
She's gonna be all right.
Point blank period. They're hurt. So they're trying to hurt other people. I love you. And I understand. And I understand more than anything that you're just the devil. You're just a piece of my imagination. And you're testing me. And it's about how I respond to you. And my response is that I love you. And I wish nothing but understanding upon you. And trolls, I love you. I love you. Go find the knowledge. Go level up. Go do better. Go be better. If you find somebody else, then please go make yourself better however you feel like you need to do that. It's your program. Tell everybody that you love them. Tell yourself that you love yourself. Yeah, if I got into sidereal astrology, I see that 13th sign. The 13th sign would actually be my Pluto, my vertex, and my North Node. They would all be the 13th sign. Interesting shit. Study yourself. Find your natal chart. Focus on you. To love anybody else, you have to love you. I can say this because I know myself and I'm mastering myself. I really actually love myself, for real, for real. Some of y'all are able to say this. Others, study yourself. Find your natal chart and figure this shit out. Figure out who you are, why you think what you think, and control your perception and master yourself. Learn who you are, study yourself, and love yourself. Then, it'll be very easy to love other people. I love myself, yo. Chief is free. That's all I want to see is hashtag Chief is free. I can teach. Yeah, I mean, it's like, I want to make sure you're applying it. I want to make sure you're applying the shit. This isn't like grade school, where you went to class and learned arithmetic and certain things, and then you went into life and you never had to use the shit. I'm not teaching you useless shit. I'm teaching you the only things that you need. These are the basics. These are the basics. Study your natal chart. Study the 5 sciences. Melanin, biology, astrology, grounding, quantum physics. You're gonna be straight. Take a look at the laws of Maya. Take a look at CarbonNation's MODs. Take a look at the 7 Hermetic principles. Understand that the Christ is not a Jesus. It's Jesus the Christ. I am solar, the Christ. We are all the Christ. We all understand that I am everything and everything is me. I am God. You are God. I am the Christ. Why do you call me Lord but don't do as I say? I'm not here to truly convict y'all anymore. I'm just going to speak the truth and let that convict you. I'm just going to give love. And it ain't that soft patch on the ass love, no. This is that real love. This is that get your shit together, my nigga. Go look in the fucking mirror when you're done with this and remove everything that is fake. Take the hair out. Remove everything that's fake. Take the makeup off. Take off the hat, take off the sunglasses, get rid of the bullshit, get some rest. In the AM, go connect to the earth. Go put your feet in the dirt. Be you naturally. Look crazy.
No, I can't do that.
Until you start being you naturally, will you ever be able to beautify your natural self? You have to be your natural self first, though. You may not like what you see initially, but get connected. Get connected to the source that you are. Love yourself and study yourself for the whole day. Eat good food. Eat fruit.
Like
drink water. Eat your solar noon meal. Let your hair be how it is. Let your feet connect to the earth. Stay away from fuck niggas.
To the earth when I go to the islands. Me and my kids.
Good energy. Study CarbonNation. Study yourself. Go type in anything about any of the 5 sciences. Study Bruce Lipton.
That's when I get.
Go to CarbonNation page. We have a fucking playlist. Study references. Go watch What the Bleep. Go watch a movie. Go watch the Holographic Universe. Go watch What the Bleep Do We Know? It's about quantum physics. If you want to know neuromelanin, study your natal chart. That will lead you. That's basically your neuromelanin. Study what melanin is. These are the only things that matter. Let's look at what matters. Let's focus on what matters. Focus is your cosmic currency. Whatever you focus on grows. So focus on becoming your highest self, your most balanced self. Chief is free. Hashtag Chief is free. I love myself. Get some rest, y'all. It's on YouTube. Go on YouTube. Go to CarbonNation TV. Just go to. I told Bro, I'm trying to tell you, there's really nowhere else you have to go. Go to CarbonNation TV. Go on YouTube. Type in the Holographic Universe. Go on YouTube. Type in What the Bleep Do We Know. You'll probably find it on other videos, but that's all you got to do. Oh, also, there's another thing I do want to recommend though. Look for the Parable of the Cave. Look for Plato's Parable of the Cave, and you'll understand what this video. Watch it. It's like a cartoon. Watch it. Love yourself. Be yourself unapologetically. New reflections.